Hello everyone. Please check the link on top of the video for the best weight loss solution on the internet. Before we get started, don't you think it is time for you to do something that will cause efficient fat burning and a loss of the undesirable fat that exits on your body? Doing yet another fat diet plan is not the right response. You really must understand that if you want to be successful. If you are going to do exactly what you have actually done in the past, you will have to get very used to seeing the body fat lingering on your body. Efficient fat burning is fat burning that will be long-lasting. It leads to weight loss. When you lose the weight and the fat, you keep it off.To really achieve fat burning results that are long-term. You need to change your overall mindset. You can't begin to think that it would be good to reduce weight and, at the exact same time, continue doing exactly what you'd have done in the past. You need to actually change your old methods and implement a method that will help you achieve your weight loss and diet goals.If you do not alter your state of mind, you might as well live your life coping with your body fat, since you will not lose it. When you actually had enough of seeing your undesirable body fat, and when you truly desire to alter the way you feel about yourself, you can and you will make it happen. Many stars, starlets, models and sportsmen and individuals from various other walks of life try to keep weight and fat off their bodies. They have motivating reasons to do so, and they have actually discovered ways to do it. Efficient fat burning includes living an energetic way of life and knowing and following a particular eating structure. I will speak first about an energetic way of life. You have to utilize your body. You should apply yourself. You will have to do a workout regimen that causes weight loss and keeps it off. You will have to do this frequently, and you should do this for the rest of your life. You can consider it a lifestyle change, not a diet.Now. I will discuss a food consumption plan. There are certain ways to consume food that you do not fully understand that will assist you to lose all that undesirable fat from your body and to keep it off. I am not discussing limited diet plans that will not permit you to eat your favorite foods ever again for as long as you live. I am just talking about portion control. Everyone is used to eating breakfast, lunch, and then dinner. The most effective way is to eat all day long, all the way up until bedtime. Yes, you read that right. Have small snacks and meals all day long, and drink plenty of water or unsweetened iced tea to increase your metabolism. I hope you found this article on effective weight loss helpful. Now get off your computer and put the plan into effect.